Hey everyone, it's Colin here at etrailer. Today we're going to take a look at this toolbox from RC Manufacturing. This is one of their T-Series A-frame mounted toolboxes. It's going to mount to the A-frame of your trailer. It's just going to give you some storage space for tools, ball mounts, anything to that nature in an enclosed space without taking up space on the inside of your enclosed trailer like this one, or maybe you don't want them exposed to the elements sitting on your flatbed trailer either. You can get them stored in here, safe from the elements, and you can lock it up to deter theft. The entire box has a solid steel construction to it. It's going to be really nice and durable. And it does have a nice black powder coat finish as well. That's going to help it resist rust and corrosion. And it's also going to give it a really nice and sleek look. Now down here with our latch, this is going to be stainless steel down here, which is going to help it resist rust and corrosion as well. And you can see we have our lock cylinder next to our latch. We can lock that up. That way when people come up, I'm not going to be able to access the inside of the box. We do have a nice flush mounted latch to it. It's going to not protrude really at all from the box. When we're ready to open it up, we can unlock it, pull the latch, and it opens right up. The latch also does have this nice seal around the entire perimeter of it. It's just going to help keep out that dirt, any debris, moisture, stuff like that from getting inside the box and onto your contents. One thing I just really like is that this handle is very sturdy. Sometimes you get those boxes where the handle is very flimsy and sometimes won't work properly. With this one, I just know every time I pull it, it's going to open up my box. And we're also going to have a built-in gas strut, so when I open up my box, all I got to do is pull that latch. Opens it right up. I don't have to worry about holding the lid open while I'm getting what I need out of my box. Now inside the box, you can see we got it loaded up, some straps, extension cord, a ball mount, even some toolboxes. This is going to be really handy to get that stuff secured. If this is not going to be enough space for you, this is 2.6 cubic feet of storage space. There is another box available. It's exactly the same as this one, same manufacturer, same features. It's just going to have 5.2 cubic feet of storage. There is going to be a nice seal on the top of our lid. That's just going to help make sure it keeps out all the elements, water, moisture, debris, anything like that. And there is going to be a piano hinge right here where our lid connects. It's just going to make for a really nice connection point. And you can see when I shut my lid, it overlaps my box. That is going to make sure that that seal gets contacted onto the top of the box and make sure to keep out the elements. And you can see that piano hinge on the back side. With this box, there's not going to be any mounting hardware included. You can pick some up here at etrailer. You can get some self-tapping screws, maybe a U-bolt kit, or you could even weld it on if that's your personal preference. The bottom of our box is going to have a seal at the weld points. Again, they just kind of went that extra mile to make sure that every point on this box was sealed. It's going to really make sure it keeps your contents safe from the elements. Now to give you guys some dimensions so you can decide if this is going to fit your application, at the back, our length is going to be 30 inches. At the front, so the shortest point, that's going to be 18 inches. Our depth at the very back right here to the front, that's going to be 15.5 inches. And then our height is going to be 14.5 inches. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this information helped you out. That's going to do it for a look at the RC Manufacturing T-Series Toolbox.